Start with tracing a shallow furrow about 1 inch deep with the back of your rake. Rows should be set 8 to 10 inches apart. Don't crowd the seeds because you'll have to thin when the young plants will have grown at least 2 leaves. Close your furrow. Press down lightly with your rake along the center to prepare a shallow valley that will make watering easier. Water very often. Thin to 4 inches as soon as the young plants have sprouted a few leaves. Keep only the most vigorous seedlings. Harvest 2 to 3 months after sowing depending on the variety and on growing conditions.